Again, gonna take the pillows off. Put them on that bed. I don't need them. Interesting, interesting. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, nothing. Interesting. Well, this is home for a day. I'll take it. It's wonderful. It's spacious. It's so huge. Look at this. Spacious. I can do cartwheels in here. And I can see myself as I do cartwheels. I can do like dance choreography in here. The hardest part about traveling when you're on a press trip is just that you're constantly moving and packing and moving and packing and packing up and unpacking. So yeah, right now I'm trying to make sure I have all my things because we're moving on to another location. And it's, in a way, it's fun and awesome because we get to experience like all these cool little hotels that I would have never known exist along the way. At the same time, sometimes it's a little disorienting because the moment I'm getting familiar with a place, I have to uproot. So, what am I gonna drink more water? Okay. Obviously, there's some hotels that I like better than others. And then, you know, there are some that maybe I don't care for as much, but they offer great like customer service and they're very attentive. So yeah, I really do enjoy my hotels, and this is a perfect way. Like, these press trips really are a perfect way for me to experience as much as I can, as well as like recommended places, you know, that I think would be like of value to travelers. So yeah, it's a hectic one. It's been hectic for the past almost 14 days. We've been traveling to different parts around for almost 14 days, we've been traveling to different parts around Sri Lanka. For almost 14 days, we've been traveling to different parts around Sri Lanka. And it's been awesome because we've been seeing so many different things. I'm so excited to share with you. And I'm hoping that my footage came out okay. At the same time, we get to experience hotels and yeah, a whole large gamut of things. The only thing is, sometimes it's a little disorienting and a little hectic and a little crazy because I'm learning about some of these places at the very last minute. So it's hard for me to do research. And it's basically hard to have downtime when you are on a press trip. You're constantly moving, and when you're not moving, then you're kind of like uploading your stories or, you know, your daily posts. I mean, that's what our work is. That's what our work comes down to as travel bloggers, is that although we travel to all these different places, what we do in the off time is work. If we're not offloading footage, then we're like uploading stories or Instagram photos or Facebook photos, or, you know, trying to keep up with our deadlines, our weekly deadlines. For me, I know it's like weekly videos need to keep going up even though I'm traveling. And it's the pace. It's just like running this marathon or this short sprint. So I'll have 4 days in Sri Lanka, in Colombo. It won't feel like much at all because I'll be sprinting also on my own dime. And I'll be trying to see what there is to explore and experience in that short a time. So this is so exciting. I love Sri Lanka. This is so exciting. I love Sri Lanka. There's just so much diversity here, and you need more than, like, I'm staying here for like at least 14 days, but you need more than that. There's just so many places, and I feel like we just skimmed the surface of the country, and we can go deeper. I can go deeper. I want to go deeper, but time is still limited. So I have 4 days extra in Colombo. I'm hoping to make the most of it. People are telling me that Colombo, there really isn't much to see or do. I don't believe that. I believe every city has something to see and do. And it's a lot more than people think. So we'll see what I can do in that short time. But today we are off to Tangale. That's what I want to say. I think it's Tangale. We might be stopping off along the way. I'm not sure what the schedule is yet. You have to go with the flow when you're on these press trips. But the group has been awesome. It's been awesome getting to know people and for me, as a travel influencer or content creator, it's good for me because I also get to network and learn what other people are practicing in their own content creating, what apps they're using, and like, you know, algorithms and all that stuff. It's like a mini little conference, but with content creators. So it's been exciting for me to be on this trip. Okay, let me double check that I have everything. Yeah, I kind of just slept on my bed, nice little recliner. Let me see that I have everything, yes, okay. I think I missed breakfast because I was uploading footage, or I think I missed breakfast because I was uploading footage. So, and I think I missed breakfast because I was uploading footage and researching my trip. So I guess I'm gonna go, I'm sure I will catch up with food somewhere along the lines. Okay, I gotta take my card. Oh, it's so amazing how advanced Sri Lanka is. Good morning. Now I can see what it looks like in daytime. Let's do see what it looks like. Okay. Freddy's Nancy. My sunburn is still killing me. My shoulders, actually. It's just kind of like a lodge. It's so vast. It's a little boutique area. 8:45. Could have done a quick little photo shoot here, damn it. So this is roti. It's with Lunu Miris. Not sure what that is. This is kerabat, milk rice. Oh, I think this is made with coconut milk.
Yes.
Yes?
Coconut milk.
Okay, thank you. Then there's string hoppers. These are wheat, right?
Wheat bread.
And then it's just regular flour. What? Rice flour. Thank you. Okay. So you have rice flour string hoppers and wheat flour string hoppers. Two slightly different tastes. You have kiribat, which is like a milk rice, and it's made with like coconut milk. And then pol roti with Lunu Miris. And the roti has pol roti with Lunu Miris. So the roti is made a little bit with coconut milk as well.
Coconut flour. Coconut, grated coconuts.
Grated coconuts and flour.
Flour.
Okay. Thank you.
Green chili, chopped onions, and curry leaf.
And what?
Curry leaf.
Oh, curry leaf. That much.
Yes.
Chopped
onions.
Chopped onions, green chilies.
Green chilies and curry leaf.
And curry leaf.
Salt, flour, and grated coconuts.
Okay, thank you.
This is the water.
Thank you so much. And here is the Sri Lankan dishes. You have international dishes here, a fruit section, a salad section, you have a lot of options to choose from. I feel like with these hotels, they give you a lot of options in their buffets. It's really incredible like how stacked their buffets are. But I'm having fruits and curd. That's all my stomach can handle today. So we're at Udawalawe Safari Resort. Oh, I haven't even seen the pool yet, but it's probably because I didn't have time to visit the pool. So this is the pool. Ooh, lovely. I don't understand. I don't understand Orca the whale though. This is funny. Usually it's the other way around. This is funny. Sometimes when I see signs in Asia, it's the other way around. Like no bikinis.